Here we go, lads. Just another quick update on the 2023 breeding season up in Geordieland. Just a quick one. I haven't posted for a while because circumstances have dictated where I couldn't. Bit of personal problems, but we're through it now anyway. So obviously the breeding season had to come to a stop for me early on. But if it wasn't for some kind people who looked after me birds for me, we've still got a breeding season and we've still got birds and we've still got chicks. So here's a little quick update. There's my little gaff. So here we go. We're going to start. I'll start with my topaz. Loads of chicks, but this is the end for me. 3rd of June and I'm done. I'm more than happy with me, with what I've got. With the help of some very kind people. But we're through that now. And we're ready to rock and roll again. Onwards and upwards. So I've got some ivory agates in there. All chicks and visual. Renegade topaz. Couple of cocks there. Staffords are doing well. She's down again, so that'll be her last. She had a round. No, she had 2 rounds. But anyway. There's a renegade. Non-intensive. He's with a topaz hen. She's just went down on eggs. She's a beaut. So they'll be renegades carrying topaz. Cages need to clean out. I'll have to get to that. But like I say, cross that bridge when we get to it. And there's me renegade topaz visuals. She's a lovely bird, a beautiful bird. And there you go. That's the last of the topaz for me. There's 3 in there, I think. Yeah, 3 in there for me. So yeah, she's a good one. She's had 2 rounds. 3 rounds, sorry. There's my pearls. Disaster year with these, by the way. Disaster. But she's down again. She's got 3 full. I think they'll be hatching this weekend. What happened there? I left the egg in, didn't I? And it burst and it went all over the chicks. It was too busy trying to clean the nest. Or she fed the egg to the chicks and they got salmonella. They were about 7, 8 days old and they all perished. So I think they got poisoned to death because of that egg. So my advice is to people, don't leave eggs in the nest. Put false eggs in. It's a lovely bird, I must admit. Lovely, lovely bird. Cracking mother. Absolute, but yeah. Mosaic redback carrier pearl. Beautiful bird. Beautiful bird. So yeah, that's about it. I've got chicks everywhere. My communal breeding worked again, as usual, so I'll still be doing it again. But I did have a bit problem with these. At the beginning, dead in shell, and, would you believe this, some of them could only count to 11 days, 12 days. Kept abandoning the eggs, so I had to, no. It made life difficult, so it is what it is. Happy days. Satin nets are doing well. I'll be moving chicks around. These are ready to hatch, but yeah, my satin net's done well. We'll go in here. That's the satin nets. Off. Well, 3 or 4 in there. There's a pearl. That'll be a cock. At the back there. Sat nets, carrier sat nets. Some more sat nets. Yeah, so I'm more than happy considering what happened. So, like I say, a short video, just an update. People wondering why I haven't been posting. Bit of personal problems, but never mind. We're through all that shite. Onwards and upwards. Some more topaz in here. I've got some lovely ones here, by the way. Some of the markings on these are going to be superb. Look at them already. There's one there I'm very, very pleased with. So looking forward to them molting out. Look at the colour of them buggers. And that's before the moult. So hopefully the markings on them. Look at the head markings. So yeah, very good. Little families everywhere. Little families everywhere, and obviously your first round chicks on the bottom there. Oh, it can't be bad. There's about 80, 90. So, like I say, from Geordieland, I'll do another one soon. So we're all back firing on all cylinders, ready to go. So the next video will be preparation for the moult. I'll see that, I'll tell you what I do now for the moult. These are all on egg food now. And what I do, I take the seed hoppers off. Them seed hoppers. So I take them off first thing in the morning. Leave them off and give them the egg food with a red colour agent in. And leave them to it till about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Don't give them anything else bar that. So they'll eat that and they'll get it in the system. Then I put them seed hoppers back on and just keep doing that until they're through the mould. So I will reduce the egg food as they get older and the mould is nearly through. But yeah, there's my little method. These will be going on red food soon. There you go, happy days. All is good in the house. So from Geordieland, till next time, catch us later.